Hey everybody, Paul Wooten here. Got a surprise for you today. In the mail I received my Matchbox C case. Kind of missed out on the A and B for whatever reason, but we're fixing to show you what's in the C case. And like always, we're just gonna go ahead and open her up and show you what's in there. And I do see some carryover from the B case. That's good. It may not have to chase that one down then. Alright, so we got the water worker, which is a sweet truck. Metal body, plastic base, plastic tank. We've got the power lift, red and white. Pretty nice presentation there. Looks like we've got another petrol pumper. Pretty nice truck there. Looks like we got two of a 16 Fiat 500X. Nice Fiat. That's pretty nice. A dark green. Looks like we got new artwork on the cards. Got new action descriptions up here, looks like. Says free download Matchbox Adventures. Not much new on the back. Gotta keep. Looks like we got us a Range Rover. It's EVOQUE. Sorry if I can't pronounce that, but all in black. It's pretty much murdered out. Black interior. It's kind of a smoke black. Blacked out wheels. It's pretty bad. Nice presentation on that. Ooh, we got two Corvette police cars. Police eye. Very nice in blue. It's a kind of a weird blue. Alright. We got us a pickup truck. They call that the Quester. Very nice non-licensed four-wheel drive emergency style truck. We got the Matchbox Hauler. It's called Matchbox moving van. All in orange. Orange body. Orange back end. Says Matchbox Explore Your World. Matchbox movers. That's pretty cool. Got these weird things. What in the heck is this? Sub Seeker. Always got to have something in there for the kids, right? Some type of submarine style, whatever you want to call it. I may not be the best reviewer on these, but I sure do appreciate everybody tuning in. This is my first video of the year. Look at that. That's nice. Taxi. Prius. If we could say a taxi is nice, I guess we could call this one nice. We got this Swamp Commander. I'll pass. Looks like you got the Land Rover Defender 110 in black. Chrome wheels. Got an orange window. Not too bad, I guess. We've got us a groundbreaker. Bulldozer. We've got us the heavy railer. That's pretty cool. Train. Nice piece there. We've got the OffRoad Raider. We've seen this model many times in the past. Pretty nice rock climber. And it says Bone Collector on it. Bone Collector is what it says. Here's some of the carryover, I guess, from the B case. Here's the Ford GT40. A little bit of moisture or something on it. They've been sitting out on my porch. We just actually had a bunch of snow, actually. That's pretty cool. It's got 12 on it. I wonder what 12. We got the Hudson Hornet, 51 Hudson Hornet. Nice to have that. And we've got a Dune Dog. Dune Dog. All kinds of little warnings on there. And the last three, we've got our ambulance. Not crazy about that blue window in there, but that works. Pretty nice little ambulance. It's a F350 ambulance. One I've been looking for, the 16 Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma with that removable back on it. A very nice piece to have. And the Tilton tip. It's a trash truck. That's the C case unboxing for 2017. Appreciate you tuning in, and we'll be making more videos coming soon.